There has to be an easier way of doing this. Oh wait!
There are multiple ways to take someone out of a photo, but like with most things, there are easy ways and hard ways. Today, I'm going to show you some of the best methods from easiest to hardest. If you want something quick, there's nothing easier than the marquee and content aware tool combo. Just drag over what you want gone, right click, and select fill. Under content, select content aware, and it's easy sailings from here. Photoshop will look around the selected space and fill in the blank space with what it thinks will work. From personal experience, the larger and busier the space is, the more wonky it becomes. So only use this for small patch jobs. I also want to point out there's a content aware move tool. The same stuff I just talked about, but now you can move the person instead of deleting them. Now that you got the basics, let's go over a refined approach. The quick select tool lets you, well, quickly select your person. Think of it as a digital paintbrush. Just click and drag. If it selects too much, hold Alt and drag to remove the excess. You can now use layer mask, delete, move, or use content aware on your selected person. There is a good chance that the marquee will be a bit sloppy, so to make your life easier, head over to the Select and Mask. This is where you get the options to refine your marquee. Whether you want to smooth it out or add some feathering, you can do it here. But hey, if it looks nice the first time, why do we need the Select and Mask option? Let's get a little more intricate. There are 3 lasso tools you can choose from, but the one I want to talk to you about is a polygonal lasso tool. Whereas quick select is very blobby and gives you rough edges, the polygonal lasso tool gives you the control to make clean, sharp edges. Personally, this is my favorite tool to edit photos. It's fast and clean. Just pick a starting point and click away. To close the section, just return to the first point or double click. Now, let's get to the tool made for perfectionists. The classic pen tool. While the polygonal is effective, it works with straight edges. The pen tool gives you the option to add curves to truly match your photo. While it's the slowest option so far, you can get some truly beautiful results from it. When you're done making your outline, right click and go to Make Selection. Now I think it's time we talked about the clone tool. The hardest to master, but one of the most effective. This tool gives you full control to manipulate your photo. Sounds great, right? To get it going, alt click on the section you want to copy and paint over what you want to hide. Keep an eye on the space that you are copying. Too far in any direction and you will copy the wrong thing. With that, you have all the tools you need to cut a person out of your life. I mean photo. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Have any questions or want to see a tutorial on a certain subject? Leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.